Hey folks, I just wanted to talk with you about a really awesome math resource. We talked about this actually on Wednesday's professional development in our 6th grade group. And this is a math source that after we looked at it as a group and put our heads together, it's just got so much. And it is great for so many grade levels, and it's unbelievably aligned with the standards and everything. So I know that we were gearing ourselves to coming up with problems to use math problems of the day. However, with this one resource, you can have infinite problems at your fingertips for any purpose. This is IXL.com. So think about 3 letters and think about excelling. IXL. And what you do is you go on here, IXL.com. As you can see, you have all kinds of topics or grade levels to choose from. You go to 6th grade or whatever grade you want to practice on, and you have everything broken down into all of these wonderful practices. So say for example you want to do integers. We were just doing adding and subtracting integers. If you hover your mouse over it, you get an example problem, so you can think to yourself whether or not that's a good one I could send to my students and work on. If you also click on it, you will get interactive practice right on the screen. So you can actually put your answer in, hit submit, and see whether or not you're correct. You could app share this with your class. You could put this up as a web tour and do a couple of problems as a warm-up in the beginning. And it's just effortless because they're right there at your fingertips. The other thing that we discovered yesterday is that it's aligned with the state standards. So our job was to come up with problems with all the math state standards. Well, someone's already done that, because you go to the state standards page, you click on the gorgeous Keystone State Pennsylvania flag here, and then you go down to potentially whatever grade you're looking for. So we were doing 6th grade, and then here you go. Now they've taken all of their links, and here are the standards, and here are the linkable things for the problems. Again, hover your mouse, you get a sample problem. Click on it, you get the interactive practice. You can interactive practice as a web tour or a web push at the beginning of a math lesson. You could put this up in the beginning so as kids are coming in, they've got a little math practice. You can actually grab these links and send them in emails or put them in your Blackboard course as practice. You can also snip or snag the problems and just plop a couple on the board to do as a group. But here are all of the Pennsylvania math state standards, and as you can see, they all have wonderful practice aligned with them. So the idea of correlating the standards with practice is right here at your fingertips, and the list just goes on and on and on. It is extremely easy to use. It is extremely handy. Your friends can use it, your families can use it, your students can use it. You do not have to log in for this. You do not have to have a membership. So I can't stress the usability of this any more than I already have, because it's awesome. It's free. There are no advertisements. You can actually do a membership kind of thing. Families can do that, and then they can get reports and awards and things like that. But it is free. There is no login necessary, and everything is right there at your fingertips. So rather than trying to grab from Blackboard, grab from preconceived problems, etc., the problems are here when you need them, when you want them. 3 letters, IXL.com, and you're good. So just wanted to share that, folks. It's a fantastic, fantastic resource for so many grade levels. You can even back it down a grade level and back it up a grade level on the same parallel skill if you wanted to. Forgot to mention that. So try it out, folks.